My name is Ashley, and today my group members and I will be instructing you on how to perform a proper hand grip test. The first step to performing a static hand grip test is to have the client stand upright, shoulder width apart. We will be taking a total of 3 readings on each side of the body. The second step is to adjust the grip bar so that the second joint on the fingers will be bent to grip the bar. The next step is to instruct the client to hold the hand grip parallel to the side of the body, and the elbow should be fixed at a 90-degree angle and locked into the side of the body. Step 4 is to instruct the client to squeeze the hand grip as hard as possible for at least 5 seconds. Be sure to remind clients to refrain from holding their breath while performing this test. Step 5 is to record the grip strength in kilograms and repeat this procedure using the opposite hand. And continue to repeat this procedure 2 more rounds for each hand.
So today I'll be teaching you how to monitor 1 rep max on bench. First it will be the protocol, and then it will be followed by an example. So first you're going to instruct your athlete to warm up with a light resistance that easily allows 5 to 10 reps. Then you're going to provide them with a 1-minute rest period. So here we see Chase just warming up his arms and getting ready to do his warm-up sets. Next, you're going to estimate a warm-up load that will allow the athlete to complete 3 to 5 reps by adding 10 to 20 pounds, or 5 to 10%. So here we see Chase easily doing his first 3 reps on the bench for his warm-up. Next, we're going to provide a 2-minute rest for our athlete. Then we're going to estimate a conservative near maximal load that will allow him to complete 2 to 3 reps by adding 10 to 20 pounds, or 5 to 10%. So here we see Chase is just taking a rest from off of his bench, and we're adding the weight. It's very important that you have the spotters add the weight and not the athlete, so that they aren't expending energy or any strength trying to add the weight onto the bench. And now as our spotter gets ready, Chase is going to do his 2 reps. So Ashley is our spotter, and the correct form for spotting bench is to have an alternate grip and easily just following the bar path, so that if Chase needs assistance at any time, she can jump in and help. Next, you're going to provide a 2 to 4 minute rest period. Then you're going to make a load increase of 10 to 20 pounds, or 5 to 10%. Now we're going to instruct our athlete to attempt a 1 rep max. If the athlete is successful, we'll provide him with a 2 to 4 minute rest period, then go back to step 7. If he fails, then we're going to again provide him with a 2 to 4 minute rest period, but we're going to decrease the load by subtracting 5 to 10 pounds, or 2.5% to 5%. So here we see Chase trying his first 1 rep max. Since he was successful, we now are back at step 7, which is to make a load increase of 10 to 20 pounds, or 5 to 10%. Now he is going to do his second trial of a 1 rep max. Since this one was at failure, we would then decrease the load until the athlete can complete a 1 rep max with the proper exercise technique.
Squat 1 rep max. First, instruct the athlete to warm up with a light resistance that easily allows 5 to 10 repetitions. Second, provide a 1-minute rest period. Estimate the warm-up load that will allow the athlete to complete 3 to 5 repetitions by adding 10 to 20 pounds or 5% to 10% for upper body exercises, or 30 to 40 pounds or 10% to 20% for lower body exercise. While the person is squatting, the spotter should stand directly behind and put their arms under the squatter's arms, hooking up and clenching to the sides of the squatter. This ensures that if she can't lift the load, she will tighten her hands and pull the squatter up.
Yeah, like right there, you're right in the middle of the camera.
After the set is completed, you'll provide a 2-minute rest period. Then, estimate a conservative near maximal load that will allow the athlete to complete 2 to 3 repetitions by adding 10 to 20 pounds, or 5% to 10% for upper body exercise, or 30 to 40 pounds or 10% to 20% for lower body exercise. Then, provide a 2 to 4 minute rest period. Next, you'll make a load increase of 10 to 20 pounds or 5% to 10% for upper body exercise, or 30 to 40 pounds or 10% to 20% for lower body exercise. Instruct the athlete to attempt a 1 rep max. If the athlete is successful, provide a 2 to 4 minute rest period and go back to step 7. If the athlete failed, provide a 2 to 4 minute rest period. Then decrease the load by subtracting 5 to 10 pounds or 2.5% to 5% for upper body exercise, or 15 to 20 pounds or 5% to 10% for lower body exercise, and then go back to step 8. Continue increasing or decreasing the load until the athlete can complete 1 repetition with proper exercise technique. Ideally, the athlete's 1 rep max will be measured within 3 to 5 testing sets.